By engaging in research here at ICOM, students take away many different skills, practices, and knowledge sets that will enhance their ability to be a better medical student and then a practicing physician once they graduate. So hi, I'm Dr. Sarah Adams. I'm the Assistant Dean of Research here at the Idaho College of Osteopathic Medicine. My role here at ICOM includes supporting the faculty with their scholarship and our student physicians in engaging in that scholarship, which includes a lot of research opportunities. At ICOM, we have a variety of research experiences, all the way from biomedical research at a typical bench lab, all the way to medical education, to analyzing data, whether it's publicly available or in collaboration with some of our research partners that are across our community here. So we help student physicians understand that no matter where they are on the spectrum of coming in with research experience, we can help them get started, continue, and be successful in the research that they need to engage with. Research can seem intimidating to some people, no matter how much research experience they've had prior to coming to medical school. One of the things that I talk with all of our students about in our student groups is that imposter syndrome is real, no matter how much research experience you have. So we are here to support students to recognize that they belong, that they have an opportunity, and that they can be successful. And what we find with those conversations, it helps students understand that it's not them, they're not alone. We care deeply about making meaningful impacts across our community. And we do that in a variety of ways. And one of those ways is through our research experiences with our external partners. It really benefits the student physicians because they're able to see how this impact of inquiring into their fields has a greater impact beyond here just at ICOM with their medical education. What I love about working here at ICOM is working with all of the student physicians and the faculty. All of them have such great enthusiasm about what they want to do, where they want to go, and thinking about what that journey looks like for each of them individually, both for faculty and student physicians, is one of the most exciting things that I get to do on a daily basis. The ICOM Research Department is happy to support you in the research endeavors that are going to best fit what you are looking for your career as a physician. Please come reach out to us, visit us. We have an open door policy and we'd be happy to think about this specifically for you and what you want for your future.